Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful and exciting project. How to sublimate shoes. Sublimation allows you to transfer vibrant and intricate designs onto shoes, transforming ordinary footwear into personalized works of art. Whether you're creating custom gifts, enhancing your wardrobe, or expanding your product offerings, this guide will walk you through the process. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand, Color Vistas, online for more resources. Let's look at understanding sublimation for shoes. Sublimation on shoes is a fantastic way to personalize footwear. It involves transferring a dye onto materials like canvas using heat, which turns the dye into gas that binds to the fabric, creating long-lasting, vibrant designs. So, how about choosing the right shoes? Keep in mind, material matters. Canvas shoes are ideal because they absorb sublimation ink effectively. Leather or synthetic materials may not work as well due to their inability to bond with the ink. Color considerations. Start with white or light-colored shoes to make your designs pop. Now let's move on to preparation, setting the stage for success. Clean and prep. Begin by cleaning the shoes with a lint roller to remove dust and debris. This helps ensure a clean transfer. Stuff and support. To prevent the shoes from collapsing and to provide an even surface during the sublimation process, stuff them with paper or fabric. Designing your artwork. Get creative with graphics. Use design software like Adobe Photoshop to create your artwork. The design needs to be mirrored and should complement the natural curves and style of the shoes. Print on sublimation paper. Use a high-quality sublimation printer to print your design. Let's now discuss the fun part. The sublimation process. Heat press settings. Preheat your heat press to 375 degrees, 190 degrees, and set the timer for about 60 seconds. Secure the design. Tape your design to the shoes using heat-resistant tape to prevent movement. Press. Place the shoes in the press, cover with protective paper, and apply heat. Ensure even pressure to avoid ghosting or incomplete transfers. Post-process and final touches. Cool down. Allow the shoes to cool before removing the paper to reveal the design. Quality check. Inspect the shoes for any heat marks or misalignment and make any necessary adjustments. And lastly, let's highlight some troubleshooting common issues ghosting. This can happen if the design shifts during pressing. Secure the paper more firmly to avoid this. Dull colors. Ensure that you're using the correct type of ink and paper and that your heat press is at the right temperature. Uneven transfers. Make sure the shoe is properly supported and the press applies consistent pressure. Sublimating shoes is not just a craft, it's an art form that allows for endless creativity. With the right preparation and attention to detail, you can produce stunning footwear that stands out. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and techniques. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to sublimate shoes, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for more creative projects. Leave your questions or share your sublimation successes in the comments below. I can't wait to see what amazing designs you create. You can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.